Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Afton and this is Cooking with Afton. How you guys doing? Well, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make homemade coconut cake. Yes, I said it, coconut cake. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys step by step how to make this delicious cake, soft, moist and fluffy. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up. Yes, give the video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. So, and you guys can follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton, and follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. Alright, and you guys can go and check out my playlist. Alright, I have a lot of videos up there, so you guys can go check it out. And also you guys can go check out my previous video as well, which is my carrot cake. I'll leave that link in the description box down below. Alright, and also all my measurements and ingredients will also be in the description box down below. Alright, and you guys can come back every single day from today to look for a video from me. Alright, because I pre-record a couple of videos already, so I'm just gonna upload them one by one each day. Alright, so let me just show you my ingredients for my homemade coconut cake. Enjoy. Hi guys, so these are my ingredients for my coconut cake. First we have some clove powder, cinnamon powder and some nutmeg. We have some white sugar, salt, oil, vanilla essence, baking powder and baking soda. We have 3 eggs. I grate up some coconut and I have my flour here. So the first thing you're gonna do is mix up our egg and sugar. We'll be back. So I'm gonna mix up my egg now. We'll be back. So I mix up my egg for about a minute. So what you're gonna do now is put in your sugar. And you're gonna mix up your sugar now with the egg until all the sugar dissolves. So my sugar finished mixing up. So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna pour in your oil and your milk. Alright, and you're just gonna mix it up. So my wet ingredients is finished. So you're gonna do now is focus on your dry ingredients here. So I have some flour here. So in the flour you're gonna pour your salt. You're gonna pour in your salt, baking soda, baking powder, and we have our nutmeg, clove, and cinnamon powder. And you're gonna mix this up together. Alright? Make sure everything mixes up well. So we'll be back. So all my spices are already mixed into the flour here. So we're gonna go back to the wet ingredients. So this is our wet ingredients here. You're gonna put in your essence. I forgot to put in my essence just now. So you're gonna mix in the essence. Right? So you're gonna do now, you're gonna mix in your flour gradually. Mix it in a little bit at a time. We'll be back. So I'm mixing my flour. So if you have any lumps in the mixture, just take your hand mixer and mix it up and get out all the little lumps. Alright? Okay, as you can see, everything mixed up and is smooth. So you're gonna put in your coconut now. This is freshly grated coconut. You're gonna put it up, put it in, and you're gonna mix it into your mixture here. Alright? Keep mixing, mixing, mixing. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so I done mix up the coconut into the mixture here. So I just butter one of my pan here and I put in a parchment paper. So I'm gonna pour the coconut mixture into the pan. I'm gonna put it down here. And I'm gonna pour it in. When you finish pouring it in, you're gonna knock it down just like this. And then you're gonna put it in your oven to bake for about half an hour to 45 minutes. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so my coconut cake has been baking in the oven for about an hour. So it's still a little warm, so I'm gonna take it out of the pan here, and you're gonna pull off your parchment paper. And you're gonna turn it over back here. Piece of it gonna lean in the oven, so this piece break off down here. So I'm gonna cut this same piece here. So I'm gonna cut my cake now so you guys can see. It's still a little warm, but I'm still gonna cut it. Okay guys, so I just cut my cake, and as you guys can see, my coconut cake is very soft, moist, and fluffy. So if you guys, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Give my video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. And you guys can follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton, and follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. Alright? And you guys can share my video as well. So I'm just gonna cut a little piece because now it's bedtime. Now it's like 12 midnight. So I'm gonna cut a little piece and taste it. Wow. Wow, it tastes really good, guys. You guys should really try this recipe. Alright? And this would do good with a nice glass of milk. Alright? Alright guys, take care. Bye.